And that is that. We are now in El Salvador. You can see behind me the kind of the border area. Easy peasy getting in and out. The only sad thing is there was no stamp getting in El Salvador. He said, no, they don't do stamps. They didn't ask for anything. They just looked at our passports, asked where we were going, and that was that. Changed out our last quetzal, which is the Guatemalan money, into dollars, because that's what they use here. And we had a fair exchange rate. Can't complain. Yeah, we're gonna go probably another, I don't know, 6-7 miles and have a place to stay for tonight. See you down the road. Pacific Ocean.
So how did you sleep last night?
Well, the last half hour was the best.
Yeah, it definitely seemed the coolest. It's pretty hot last night.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. Well,
It's like sleeping in a sauna.
but you got what you wanted. You wanted to camp.
Let's do it out there.
Yeah, so maybe I should do a video on how to do a flat, because I'm pretty good at it. Like I said before, it's definitely the #1 skill you gotta have. But so far on this trip, I've got, that's a new one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flats in my rear. I forget how many Petra's had.
Enough.
So, and it's all been from the little bitty, yeah, here. Yeah, you won't even be able to see it. But it's the wire from the shredded tires. So, yeah. Anyway, we finished doing this. I think I will do a video on how to do this, because it's actually really easy and it's really something everybody should know how to do. So, yeah. All right, getting down the road here in El Salvador. All right, so just so you know, the road we're following right now is about 30, maybe 35 miles along the coast. And if you ever look at the map, it's real jaggedy, but it's supposed to be beautiful. There's short climbs and there's a lot of tunnels. So this is our first tunnel we're going through. So it's 100 meters, not a big deal. We've definitely gone through worse tunnels in the past. One being in Montenegro. Oh man, that tunnel was, I thought we were gonna die. And that, the gentleman just stopped and waved me and stopped me and goes, "Do you need a lift?" I'm like, "No, no." He goes, "You sure?" I go, "No, I'm good, thank you." Yes, I know this looks miserable. And just to do a little time and temperature check, it's 91 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think, hold one, I'm gonna set you down. I'm gonna put you over here. That way you can still see my beautiful mug. Oh, it's 10:30. Okay, so it's actually a little cooler than it has been. Honestly, it's not too bad. It is muggy, but we got that cool breeze coming off the ocean right here to our right, which helps tremendously. Anyway, continuing down the road. It's actually cooler now than it was earlier.
Still hot. But it's 103 it's showing on the GPS.
Going up a hill at 105 degrees makes you a little bit thirsty.
Actually, it's gone down. It's 103.
Oh gee, 103? Only because you're in the shade over there?
Yeah. Oh, it's over 105
120.
for sure, yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right, well, we're almost at the top.
Yay!
You want to tell the people what just happened that we were totally oblivious to?
Yeah, we had no clue. We're going to pay. Well, actually, we just had a little lunch right here, some hot dogs. And when I was going to pay, I thought there was a misunderstanding. The lady goes, "Oh, we don't accept the card for under $3."
Right, yeah.
Because I bought water at the end. But I thought it was a misunderstanding, but apparently the customers that were in front of us ordering, they were talking a little bit of English to us, and they paid for our lunch. We didn't even know. They were very sneaky. But it's amazing, amazing. The people here were absolutely amazing in El Salvador.
The kindness of strangers.
Yeah, in general, the kindness of strangers is mind-blowing sometimes. Yeah, for sure.
All right. And if by some freaky chance down the road, we didn't get your name or anything.
No, we didn't get anything.
It was just a couple words, you know. If you ever do see this, thank you very, 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 very much. Totally caught us off guard.
Yeah, it's never expected that at all. Just from a simple hello and where are you coming from, where are you going, and that was it. Yeah.
And that was it. And just so you know, if you're coming through El Salvador, the Puma gas stations, coffee, you can get food. It's like the Oshos back in Mexico. Very good. So anyway, we are crossing into Honduras in a matter of a few minutes. We'll see you down the road. El Salvador's behind us. Stop for a little selfie now.
If you liked our video, please consider supporting our channel by rolling over that like button, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and as always, feel free to share our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.